how to manage and change your friends' posts language on Facebook PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Facebook, this is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click right here and click on settings and privacy. Click here on settings, it will take you to this page. Go down here and choose language and region, and here you will find posts from friends and pages. Now you can choose if you want to the language that you want from here, as you can see. So the Facebook is gonna be translate the posts automatically just for you easily. For example, if you choose French, click save changes and Facebook will start translate to French from the posts that your friends or pages post. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.